Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account. Withdrawing USDT from Binance to bank account involves converting it to fiat currency and then transferring it to your bank. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance.com. After logging in, go to the Trade section and click on Convert. Select USDT as from currency and your desired fiat currency, for example USD or EUR as to currency. Alternatively, you can use the spot trading section. Search for USDT to fiat trading pair like USDT/USD. Go to the wallet and fiat and spot. Find a fiat currency balance and click on withdraw. Select your preferred withdrawal method such as SWIFT, SEPA, faster payments, etc. You can also use other supported method for your reason. Ensure the account is in your name as Binance does not support third-party withdrawals. Specify the amount you want to withdraw and review the fees and confirm the transaction. Binance may require two-factor authentication or email confirmation. Approve the transaction after that. Bank transfer typically take 1 to 5 business days depending on the method and reason. Check the status under Wallet and Transaction History. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.